Good morning, it's the 1st of October 2018, 6:55 UK time, and I'm gonna go through the trading day in 6E. What my plans for today are. Before we do that, I'll quickly go through what happened on Friday. So these were my scenarios for Friday. Scenario 1 was test lower, continue higher, or balance inside the previous day. Scenario 2 was balance on the edge of the previous day with a test lower, just like scenario 1. The balance was just a bit positioned a bit lower. Scenario 3 was a quick test down and driving up behavior towards the high of previous day. And scenario 4 in orange was the only scenario I had as going down with a quick test up or a slow test up, test the previous day low, leave the range, test it from the other side, and continue lower. What in fact happened is this. In my scenario 4, I had a test higher and sell off to 673670 or something area. In fact, it sold off at the open, balanced for about 8:15 to 9:30, 9:10, 9:45, for an hour and a half, and then sold off further. Balanced at the low with an extremely high delta. Look down here. In that balance consolidation zone. And then quickly had a burst up, test lower, and a very strong push to the 700 area where it balanced, moved the VPOC and closed in the middle of the day range in between the two high volume areas. This distribution is inside of this distribution here. You see the closing price is here, and the VPOC is at 700, and this VPOC on Friday and the high volume area are in between the two high volume areas of the micro composite for that period in the past. So it's quite likely that we will fill in this gap today. This is the opening price. We will be opening in the next 1 minute, if not now, down here. So, what are the plans for today? Scenario 1. There is the open. Scenario 1 is I had test lower to this LVN here, but since we are opening below it, balance in here, scenario test lower, and continue to the previous day VPOC, balance here, and take out the previous day high, and get to 735 area. That's scenario 1. Scenario 2 is test lower, sorry, open and balance, test higher to yesterday's close, and continue lower to 612 area, or 598 below it. That's scenario 2. 612 is an MCK LVM. So key levels here are 640 previous day low, and after we've tested 612, I expect to push back into the range. So that's scenario 2. And scenario 3 where we close. Where we closed, oh sorry, where we open. If we test a bit higher and then continue lower, the driver type behavior, and have another impulse to the low side, aiming for the area of 598, which is a HVN, MC HVN 598 down, so that's scenario 3. And scenario 4, open, sorry, and have an impulse. So I have a trend update that is aiming for the previous day high, and then if we have enough, go to 750 strength. 750 is this HVM here, so that's scenario 4. So that is all I have. We'll do it again tomorrow.